Oh, bakit? Alam mo, hindi halata. Anyway. Ayan yung mga baklang nagre-regime. Originals night. These are the songs, or some of the songs that I've recorded in the past 19 years. And some of them are quite old. While. Kasi alam niyo pagka nagre-record kasi kayo ng album, yung nung dati, 12 songs lang talaga. Kasi pag plaka, back-to-back sila. 6-6, gano'n. But nung naging CD na, you can actually record more. So I would like put in more. Sometimes mga 100. 100. Ang pinakamarami ko, I think, was like 23 songs in one CD. The one about this song. And he was the one who also wrote. Thank you. Ang ganda ng bag mo. Akin na lang. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kwento time. So, I was watching a show called Eat Bulaga. You know Eat Bulaga, right? So, I was watching Eat Bulaga one afternoon, and at this time kasi, itong time na to, I was also doing an album. And I heard Hindi Na Ayoko Na being sung by MC Faustino, who's the wife of Tet Faustino, and the, di ba na pag-connect ko? Small world. I know. Gusto mo simulan ko ulit yung show? Mag-explain ka. Dali. Hi. I know. Why are you late?
It wouldn't be proper to see on the mic.
Bakit anong ginawa? Alam ko na! Nakipag... nanganak. Sino nanganak? Ikaw? Nanganak ka? Ha? Grabe siya. Thank you. No, it's okay. I'm just joking. Ikaw naman. Buti na lang pogi ka. Sige, mupo ka na doon. Ha? What? Ni Paolo Valenciano. Si Paolo Valenciano, kamag-anak mo? Hindi nga. Si Angeli, oh, naka-green. Yes, and Gab. Hi, Gab. Oh, I see Julina and Marvin also. Uy, panoorin niyo yung movie nila, XX Lovers. Oo, bakit XX Lovers? Kasi mag-X kayo, tapos naging mag-X pa ulit, tapos naging mag-X ulit. Ano ba yun? 3 beses, 2 lang. So, naging mag-X, tapos nagkatuluyan, tapos naging mag-X ulit. Yung ex-boyfriend ko nandito din eh. Hi, husband. Di, ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa... Hindi kinaya ng Becky ko yung tonsillitis mo dyan. Anyway, where was I? Ano nga yung... So anyway, I saw MC singing this beautiful song, and I was by Mon Faustino. Ang ganda, no? Oo, parang may pinagdadaanan nun si Mon, eh. Hindi lang ako sure. Pero i-interviewin ko siya. Kanino ba yun, Mon? Oh, hindi ako chismosa. I just like information. Yeah. Yeah. Then, there was this song. Gago ka. Di ba no? Parang ang saya. Kahit minumura mo na, anak lang. Pero bossa, parang ang saya. Why am I doing that? Parang ako nasasaniban. Ewan ko ba? Nagbaback kasi ako sa ibang singer, yung pinapaalam ko sa lahat. Uy, ako yan ah! Ako yan! Ako nag-backup niyan. Ganon. Pinapaalam ko talaga. Hindi ko hinahayaang hindi malaman ng tao. Di ba dapat yung backup singers, they're very, ano tawag dyan? They don't wanna be yung sila yung center of attention. Ako hindi. Pinapaalam ko talaga. And then, one of the, after that, I don't know kung ano yung pinagkukwentuhan namin at that time. Bigla niyang kinuwento sa akin how it came about. Kasi I didn't know that it was written for me. I thought it was written for me to sing. Because I have many songs that were written for me to sing. But not this song. And then he started to explain. Bakit naiiyak ako? Ina-explain niya sa akin, like the first line. Kasi nung mga panahon na yun, parang pag makikita niya ako, sobra siyang nahahappy, he would get excited, and then he would be sad. Parang all the feelings in the world, alam mo yun, nararamdaman niya every time magkikita kami. Na parang, tuwing ika'y ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligaya. Diba? Yung lahat daw ng feelings na pwedeng maramdaman ng isang tao, nararamdaman niya. Ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha, pagkausap ka. At that time, we were best of friends. And he was saying, I wanted to tell you, but I couldn't. Kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ika'y makasama. And then he said, ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay niya, pero ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. He was married at that time, and so all he could do was pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Yeah, that song was written by Mr. Augie Alcacid. How about a big one? Teka lang, Raul, hinihintay ko yung swing. Shh, swing, bumaba ka na. Shh. Ayaw bumaba. Baka nagbanyo yung bababa. Eh, kasi naman ang haba ng show. Diba? Kung uminom siya ng uminom, di naiihina siya. Ayan na, ay, hindi pa pa rin. Drum roll, please. Ganon kasi yun. Magician. Actually, hindi ako sure kung ngayon na ba yun eh. Pero alam ko ngayon eh. Actually, hindi ko alam kung dyan na nga yun eh. Parang hindi pa yata. Ha? Kanino ako magsasorry? Ah. Sorry, Swing. Hindi pa pala. Nakakahiya naman sa direktor. Oo, yung direktor ko naman wala naman siyang pakialam. Natatawa lang din naman siya. Here's naalala ko, hindi nga doon. Sorry. Isa pa, Raul, kasi parang natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Ano ni Kakay, nawala na yung reveal, So mamaya, pag bumaba, usapan niya na. Galingan nyo. Promise? Ganun na. Yun ang sabihin nyo. Okay. I love you too. Surprise! May ganon. Thank you, Kakay. Oh, what a pleasant surprise. That was wonderful. Thank you so much. Actually, kasi we've been asking her to sing. And she kept saying, no, I'm not gonna sing. I'm not gonna sing. I think naawa siya sa akin kasi kahapon I felt so bad. But thank you, Kakay. Palakpakan po ulit natin si Kakay. Who is now my manager. 96%. Drum roll, please. Ha? Hindi pa rin? Ha? Hindi. May sponsor pa kasi. So, magsusponsor muna ako, tapos gagalingan natin yan mamaya, ha? Abangan nyo yan. Ako, kumapit kayo, ha? At this point, I'd like to say thank you. Drum roll, please. Hindi pa rin? Alam mo ikaw, pastar ka. Oo. Parang tabingi ah. Angat mong konti. Ang baba eh. Angat konti. Angat. Hindi baba, angat. Angat. Yan. Ikaw, mag-usap tayo mamaya. Diba? Ang gara. May itla. Okay. Now, I'd like to sing some songs or one song from pleasant surprise. That was wonderful. Thank you so much. Actually, kasi we've been asking her to sing. And she kept saying, no, I'm not gonna sing, I'm not gonna sing, I'm not gonna sing. I think naawa siya sa akin kasi kahapon. I felt so bad. But thank you, Kakay. Palakpakan po ulit natin sa Kakay. Who is now my manager. 96%, 96%. Drum roll, please. Ha? Hindi pa rin? Ha? Hindi. May sponsor pa kasi. So, magsusponsor muna ako, tapos gagalingan natin yan mamaya, ha? Abangan nyo yan. Ako, kumapit kayo, ha? At this point, I'd like to say thank you. Drum roll, please. Hindi pa rin? Alam mo ikaw, pastar ka. Oo. Parang tabingi ah. Angat mong konti. Ang baba eh. Angat konti. Angat. Hindi baba, angat. Angat. Yan. Ikaw, mag-usap tayo mamaya. Diba? Ang gara. Mahirap lang umupo. Okay. Now, I'd like to sing some songs or one song from the album Reason Enough, which was released in 1993. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh goodness, thank you so much. Ano? Thank you so much. Thank you. I truly appreciate that. Latina. Ganon ang peg natin. Latina. Thank you so much. Actually in Hong Kong. Yes, I recorded this in Hong Kong and with a guy named Jackie Jung. But he's not here tonight, so do you guys mind if I sing it? Wala naman kayong choice. Si MG din yun. Kilala ko yung boss ni MG. Bakla ka ng taon. Thank you. China and in Hong Kong and in that part of the world. So, yes, it was such a wonderful experience for me. And in that album, I also sang this song, which was written by Glenn Medeiros. If you wait till the door, you may walk through the clouds, but to carry you, you've got to follow the sun. There Nowadays, kasi, hate it. Kasi, hindi ako sanay na I struggle with my voice. Ito talagang mga minions na to. Thank you very much. Akala ko kung ano nangyari sa akin. Okay. I hate that I struggle with my voice. Actually, last night, I had such a hard time singing. I don't know what happened. During the afternoon, I had a voice, and then when I came on stage, suddenly it disappeared. And even up to now, I'm still struggling with it a little bit. I'm not used to it because I never struggled with my voice. I never did. Sometimes I'm sick, I can still sing. I'm malat, I can still sing. I sleep, I wake up, I sing. And the thing is, this is the only thing I know. And it has become my life. And so, pag nagsastruggle ako, yung instinct ko parang, hihinto na ba ako? I seriously think of that. I seriously do. Kaya lang, na-realize ko madami pa akong utang, so wag muna. May mga binabayaran pa pala ako. So, mga alahas, mga ganun. So, wag na muna. No, but it frustrates me. Because, like I said, when I was younger, I opened my mouth and I just have a voice. I also think because as I get older, you know, my tender age of 37 and a half, you become more insecure. And that's the one thing also, I never got insecure. When I was younger, tirahin mo yan. Ganto na lang ako. Ang hirap din yung may rayuma ka. So, gapangin mo na lang yung stage. But, despite all that, and actually kasi, I'm the kind of person, that doesn't like to complain, because really, I have nothing to complain about. I have been so blessed. Lahat ng pinangarap ko, ibinigay sa akin. So, I don't really, totoo talaga, binigay talaga ni Lord. And thank you so much, Lord. Mahirap lang na, kasi ginagamit ko yung boses ko, and, minsan papagak-pagak siya. And, natutuwa ako na nandito pa rin kayo. Hindi ko alam kung naaawa lang kayo sa akin. But I truly, truly appreciate you guys coming here. Many things have changed in my life. I have changed. My sexy body has changed. My voice has changed. Pero may isang bagay na hindi nagbago. At kayo yun. Kahit wala akong maibigay, nandyan pa rin kayo. Kaya, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Maraming salamat sa atensyon. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo ngayong gabi. Thank you. Oh, is that for me? Thank you, sweetheart. I love you guys. I love you very much. And, you guys are the reason why I am still doing this. And I pray that I'd still be able to do this so that we can get together, laugh, have a good time, listen to music, listen to me sing. And alam mo yun, mag-bonding lang kahit concert lang ito. Or magkwentuhan lang, parang ganito lang. Mag-podcast ako. Sino ba yung baklang yan? Ito pala yun. Ito pala yung baklang yan. Thank you once again. This song I dedicate to each and every one of you.